Well, first of all, in sports, performance is the demand. And when you look at international levels of athletes, they always want to improve their performance either through science or through enhancement of steroids or whatever that is to help them up. But important over here is that when I was playing football maybe 25 years ago, we used to wear cotton jerseys, and then came the acrylics, and then came the polyesters, and how difficult the situations were while you stretch. As I was a goalkeeper, so your stretching of the hands were not very comfortable. You generally tore off the part under the armpit or from the pants between, and it was very embarrassing during the games to do because there was no stretch happening. But the need of the hour was there. There's a lot of improvement coming in, but at the end of the day, we want to win, and to win, we need to improve the performance, and for that, we need all these accessories that are really important to our body. Because today, when you're wearing a T-shirt or a jersey, we want it to make the function of the skin of our body. It should be so close to it, and we've been able to come very close. But interestingly, today we talk about compression materials which really hold on to our muscles because the wear and tear of our tissues, and of course we're talking about order and spread cooling and heat and all these things to keep our body temperature right for the sport. It's very important, but today we want us to get back into the game as fast as possible, and for that reason, even sportswear becomes very important. Even shoes, today's shoes have become like socks. That light that are coming, if you see the Nikes or the Adidas coming up with their shoes, the t-shirts have become so light. It's fantastic. When you wear it, you feel like you're going inside. Because I remember we going to Africa, South Africa, and going there and playing with a team over there, and we were playing with cotton, and they were playing with. So the inferior complexity also gets out from a sportsman, and how important this is. I come to know when we come up through such seminars, but it's very important that we need to bring this out in the federations, in the associations, so that even the players know the requirement and the importance of sportswear in the performance, and that makes it very important. Because today, if you see, 50% of the population is below 25, and 65% of the population is below 35, and that makes it very important for us to understand that the interest would lie in sports and entertainment, and that's the most important part. That in our presentations that I've seen, that how the growth has come up in the last decade is because of the age factor, because everybody wants to be fit. We see a Lakme or a Enrich or saloons all over the roads. We see huge amount of gyms coming up in the neighborhoods, 3 or 4, whether it's Falwalkar, Goldfit, name it, they're around us. And that's going to make us very young India. And for the young India, we need to get into sports and entertainment. And I think it's important that we get close to the skin when you talk about sportswear. And that's where I bring in that demand for us to fulfill.